Hey guys, this is Terry from Moix RV in Conway, and today we are going over the newest edition of our fleet. This is the Keystone Arcadia 370 RL. It's a 37-foot rear living travel trailer that is a full-time RVer's dream. It has auto leveling, Kurt solid steps, big power awning, and all the features that you can think of on the interior. Let's check it out. On the interior of this Keystone Arcadia, it is absolutely loaded with everything you need. Solid surface countertops, butcher block sink cover with a dual split sink, Thomas Paine interior with the queen size pull-out couch. You have a 5,000 BTU fireplace with a 40-inch TV, huge pantry, 10 cubic foot refrigerator, and Keystone's the only one that has actually done this. This is the HyperDeck flooring. It is a fiberglass base flooring, so you don't have to worry about any rot. Keystone Arcadia has maximized the storage capacities with this huge coffee bar with corner pantry storage, big storage up front, solid surface countertops, and a full drawer stack right beside your oven and even under your refrigerator. The shower on this is absolutely huge. It's a 30 by 36 shower with a 12-gallon hot water heater, true porcelain toilet, and then you've got plenty of storage for all the linens you need. Keystone Arcadia is actually one of the only ones that features this. This is a true California king-size bed. It's a 72 by 84-inch bed with a Serta mattress. You have the extra closet storage there to the left of the bed. Full closet from end to end here on the front cap with access in your pass-through storage, and then you also have a drawer stack featured underneath your bed as well. Seasons package Keystone Arcadia is actually the only travel trailer Arcadia that we have on the lot currently. We do have 2 of the fifth wheel versions available, and then we have even the half-ton versions coming in. So y'all come check us out.